Welcome to our YouTube channel, Wonderpedia. Today, we've uncovered 10 surprising facts about coffee that will not only intrigue you, but might also change the way you view this caffeinated elixir. Number 1. Coffee's mysterious origin. Coffee's history is as rich as its flavor, and it all began in the ancient coffee forests of Ethiopia. According to legend, a 9th century Ethiopian goat herder named Kaldi discovered the magical effects of coffee when he noticed that his goats became unusually energetic after munching on coffee berries. Little did he know that this discovery would lead to the worldwide coffee culture we enjoy today. Number 2. Coffee versus tea. While coffee and tea are two of the world's most popular beverages, coffee actually contains more caffeine than tea. On average, a cup of coffee contains about 95 milligrams of caffeine, whereas a cup of tea contains approximately 30 milligrams. This significant difference in caffeine content contributes to the contrasting ways these beverages affect our bodies and minds. Number 3. Coffee as a social catalyst. Coffee houses have long been hubs for intellectual discussion and social interaction. In fact, the world's first coffee house, Kivahan, opened in Constantinople, modern-day Istanbul, in 1475. These establishments played a crucial role in shaping ideas and culture during the Enlightenment period, leading some to call them penny universities. Number 4. Coffee bean types. There are over 120 species of coffee, but the two most well-known and widely cultivated varieties are Arabica and Robusta. Arabica beans are prized for their smoother, milder flavor, while Robusta beans have a stronger, more bitter taste. Many coffee blends use a combination of these two to achieve a balanced flavor profile. Number 5. The coffee belt. Coffee cultivation is concentrated within a region known as the Coffee Belt, which spans the equator between the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn. Countries within this belt, such as Brazil, Colombia, Ethiopia, and Vietnam, are known for their coffee production. The unique climate and altitudes in these regions are ideal for growing coffee. Number 6. Coffee and sustainability. The coffee industry has a significant environmental impact, but there's a growing emphasis on sustainable coffee production. Many coffee growers are now using practices like shade-grown coffee, organic farming, and fair trade agreements to promote sustainability and protect the ecosystems where coffee is grown. Number 7. Coffee and health benefits. Beyond its delicious taste and energy-boosting properties, coffee also offers several health benefits. Studies have shown that moderate coffee consumption may reduce the risk of certain diseases, such as Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and type 2 diabetes. Coffee is also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect cells from damage. Number 8. Coffee as a work productivity aid. Coffee is often seen as the perfect companion for those long workdays or study sessions. The caffeine in coffee can enhance alertness, concentration, and overall cognitive function, making it a popular choice for boosting productivity. Number 9. Coffee artistry. Latte art has become a form of creative expression for baristas around the world. By skillfully pouring steamed milk into espresso, intricate designs and patterns are created on the surface of the coffee, from hearts and rosettes to more complex drawings. Latte art has become a visual treat for coffee enthusiasts. Number 10. World's most expensive coffee. Finally, we can't explore coffee without mentioning the astonishing world of luxury coffee. One of the most expensive coffees in the world is Kopi Luwak, also known as civet coffee. This unique brew is made from coffee beans that have been eaten and excreted by civets, a small mammal. The fermentation process inside the civet's digestive system is believed to give the coffee a distinct and prized flavor. A pound of Kopi Luwak can cost hundreds of dollars, making it a true coffee connoisseur's delight. And there you have it, 10 surprising facts about coffee that we hope have left you with a newfound appreciation for this beloved beverage. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or just enjoy the occasional cup, coffee's rich history, cultural significance, and intriguing qualities make it a subject worth exploring. If you found these coffee facts as captivating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our next exploration of the world's wonders.